Cody Smith at Airstream, South Florida here, and I got a cool video for you. I'm going to show you how to operate the dual step folding entry steps by Airstream. I get a lot of questions on this one. It looks intimidating, it seems confusing, but I promise you it's not. So if you're like a lot of folks, when you got the orientation on how to use your new Airstream, they either skipped over the entry steps or you just don't remember because you took in a lot of information. Oftentimes when you go to pick up your trailer, it looks like this. And then when you get your trailer home, it looks like this. And you're left scratching your head going, nah, I know they told me how to do this. Here's the trick. You get these two aluminum release handles, which is actually one handle. You really only need to use one side. But in order to get that entry step released, you just lift up. Let the weight of the steps bring it out because that's going to lock it in place. If you try to help it along, oftentimes you're not going to lock it in place. You're going to go to step in and it's going to wiggle pretty good on you. So make sure you release, it locks in place. Now, the bottom step is on the top of the top step. Let me say that again. The bottom step is on the top of the top step. It just needs to do a backflip. So what you do is you're going to grab back here, and they made this a real nice ledge for you so that you can easily get a hold of it. You pull it up and literally just make it do a backflip. Now that the entry steps are out, they're nice and secure. See what happened here? This side didn't lock in all the way. Easy fix for that. Grab the back of the steps, give it a pull. Now it's secure. All right, to fold the steps back up, do that process in reverse. You're gonna put one thumb below each hinge point here. Push down, make this step do a front flip. To release the locking mechanism in here, just lift up on the bottom of the steps. That's gonna release them, and then you push up until you hear the click. That's how it's supposed to work. If you find yourself with some stiff hinge points, just hit it with a little bit of lubrication. There's 2 hinge points here, 2 hinge points here, and then 2 up in here. If you lubricate those at least, I don't know, every 30 to 90 days, depending on how much you use it, you should never have an issue. They're all aluminum, they're not gonna rust, and they're pretty easy to operate. Thanks for watching. I hope this has helped. Be sure to like and subscribe. We'll talk to you next time.